Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone max volume too low or iPhone full volume but still too quiet, or iPhone volume maximum but too low. So guys, if you are increasing the volume of your iPhone but the sound is still low or it is quiet, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open settings on your device. So guys, simply open settings and now scroll it below and tap on general and then go to software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. And if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply scroll it below all the way and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and you have to simply reset all settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply clean the speakers of your iPhone with a gentle brush. So guys, you have to simply clean the speakers of your iPhone with a gentle brush, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact any Apple service station for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.